Ka jylla hadu menta kadang jngai la kalamat ya kayom telang nama nakaliang menteri katenat boarding ula pentep bahadu mentahi 4 dandak baki hab banle ya ka load shedding lani ban treikam ya ka jingpelip boarding kumba julong hakiwe kisnam. Habakran bikilat pathai kubor menteri katenat 80 mandal ulai thoh ba ka thong jong ka sarkar jylla kalong ban yo I ba kanum dan kanu ka jingpen thut ya ka samoi thoh eksam ki khana klem ka jingpelip boarding.
See, as of now, the power scenario is in a very good position. We are not planning immediately for load shedding, but as and when situation requires, we will take a call on that. Our intention is to see that the exam season also passed off without any load shedding. But I will request all our esteemed consumers that this is the season where we can take up major repair works also, because once rainy season will come, it will be difficult to work also. Then renovation work is also on to many substations. Upgradation work is on. Then changing of poles, conductors, these are there. So if once major substation is under repair, a large area will be affected. So this is the scenario as far power is concerned as of now. Many substation we need to upgrade. That also will require lots of shutdown. So we request our esteemed consumers that there may be a situation where lights may not be there for some times, but then no load shedding is there. It is a technical thing. Any technical problem or glitches come, then we got to look into it. So one thing is for sure, that we will not go for immediate load shedding, but at the same time this is the season where we can maximize our efforts to see that all the substation, all the transformers are looked after properly.
So, but at the moment, are there any unscheduled power cuts that are going on?
You see, that's what I am telling. Unscheduled power cut may be there depending on which location it is happening, and depending on that which substation we are taking care of as of now. So depending on that, there will be unscheduled power cuts. Moreover, in some areas, because of the RDSS implementation, say some places we are changing the entire wire. So naturally you got to cut the wires and then go for conductoring and all these things. Some places we are putting aerial bunch cover or aerial bundle covered wires. So that situation may come, but no scheduled load shedding as of now. This is depending on the localized area wise. We are taking the repair work and renovation work. Moreover, many places we are changing the poles also.